Hello from Xiu Lei. Today I'm at a beach called Verbois in Ile-de-Lion in France. And today we're going to do tripod headstand. Please sit comfortably tall with your sit bones rooted to the ground and the top of your head searching for more sky. Warming up our spine and our body, plant your hands onto your knees and send your heart forward and backwards. Inhale as you send the chest up and the head back. Exhale as you round with the head coming forward. Engaging the shoulders. Inhale, send the shoulders forward and up. Exhale, send the shoulders back and down. Walk the hands forward and the upper body folds. It may just be that your head hangs, or if your body's feeling open today, the forehead might touch the ground. In your yoga practice, please allow your breathing to be the priority. Your inhales and exhales full of awareness, and your yoga becomes a meditation. Walk your hands back up. Switch the legs so the opposite leg is on top or in front. Take it back down. Perhaps the head just hangs, or perhaps the forehead touches the ground. Drift your hands to the left. Let the heart fall over the left thigh. Keeping your upper body low, drift the arms to the right side, letting the heart sleep over the right leg. Walk the hands back to center and slowly rise. Child pose. Set the buttocks over the heels. The heart sleeps onto the thighs. The arms are out in front. The head just hangs. Come up to all fours. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head. Roll the shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine. The top of the head points down and the heart pulls up to the sky. Let the inhales drop the belly. Let the exhales pull the heart up to the sky. Keep the hips directly over the knees. The feet are hip distance apart. Drop the heart towards the ground. Perhaps the forehead touches the earth. Puppy pose. If you need a stronger practice, you can come up onto your fingertips and look past your hands. Keep full awareness in your breathing. With the forearms on the ground, curl the toes under. Bring the buttocks to the sky. The knees can stay bent. This is like down dog, but with the forearms on the ground. It's called dolphin pose. You can keep the knees bent or straighten them if your back body is feeling open today. Transition into downward facing dog by having the forearms off the ground. In down dog, the hands are spread shoulder distance apart. The fingers are spread wide, the middle fingers pointing forward, the whole hand pressed into the ground. Walk your feet to your hands. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Let the upper body dangle, holding onto your elbows. Like a pendulum, enjoy swaying from side to side. Take the arms behind your back, interlace the fingers, straighten the arms, and encourage the hands to come back behind your head, wanting to touch the earth. Releasing your arms, take the right hand either on the floor, on a yoga block, or on a chair. The left hand reaches for the sky. Look up. Other side, left hand is on the earth, on a yoga block, or on a chair. Right hand searches for the sky. Look up. Preparing for squat pose. Separate the feet till they are wider than your hips. Bend the knees like you're going to sit down. The arms are on the inside of the thighs. Roll the shoulders back, opening the heart, and the arms help the hips to open. You can be on the balls of your feet with the heels up, or eventually heels down. Prayer at the heart center. For bound angle pose, sit on the ground, separate the knees apart, the feet come together, the palms of the feet kissing. If this is a difficult posture for you, put your hands behind you to support and your low back will be straight. Please do not round your back like this. Straighten it, rolling the shoulders back and expose your heart. When aware of your breath, it may share with you that it's enough or that you could use more. If you want to go deeper, then walk the hands forward, sending your belly button towards your toes. Do not send your nose towards your toes. For tripod headstand, the hands are spread wide and shoulder distance apart. It's called tripod. The hands and the head make a triangle shape. Do not put your head in between your hands. Make a triangle. You should be able to see all of your fingers. Make sure it's the very crown of your head that touches the ground and not your forehead. Your elbows point straight back. Curl the toes under, lift the knees. It's as if you're in downward facing dog pose. Bend the knees and walk your feet closer to your hands. Place one knee on your tricep and see how it feels. How's your breathing? Only continue if your breathing is smooth and even. If it's smooth and even, try both knees. Perhaps the toes can come together. If that's easy, you can begin to float the knees off of your triceps. Having a wall behind you may be a good idea if you decide to extend your legs straight up to the sky. Come back down as smoothly as you came up. After headstand, please rest directly in child pose. The arms can be out in front or send the hands behind so that they're close to your feet with the palm up. Thank you for sharing your headstand with me. This is Xiu Lei saying, see you later.